Hello, let's learn some colors. Red color, orange color, pink color, brown color, green color, sky blue color, forest green color, purple color, yellow green color, deep yellow color. Let's draw some 2D shapes. So let's start. Circle. We are drawing circle shape, kids. It's a circle shape. Circle. Another diamond. We are drawing diamond shape. It's a diamond. Diamond. Now we are drawing semicircle. It's a semicircle shape, kids. Semicircle. Pentagon. We are drawing pentagon shape, kids. It's pentagon. Pentagon. Now we are drawing trapezoid. Trapezoid. It's called trapezoid. Trapezoid. Now we are drawing cross. It's a cross shape, kids. What we draw? We are drawing cross. Cross. Chestnut brown color. Chestnut brown color. Forest green color. Forest green color. Warm grey color. Deep violet color. Deep violet color. Black color. Black color. Olive green color. Olive green color. Now learn the shapes: circle, diamond, semicircle, pentagon, trapezoid, cross. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next video. Bye bye.